Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Pepsi Philippines.
Hindi totoo yan.
So i-unbox natin guys kung legit si Pepsi or hindi. Actually guys, legit to kasi nakailang order na ako eh. Tested na to si Pepsi Philippines.
Paano masabi?
So guys, tandaan nyo yung blade na nabili ko sa TikTok is napakatalas.
Pwede na!
Ang order ko dito guys is Quaker Oats. Tama ba? So guys, si Pepsi Philippines is legit. Na-testing ko na talaga to. Nakailang order na ako ng Quaker Oats dito. Quaker Oats. The moment of truth, guys.
One eternity later.
Tcharam! So, sabi ko sa inyo guys eh. Legit siya guys eh. Oatmeal. Chocolate. Instant oatmeal to guys. Chocolate flavor. So, natin ko ilang piraso. Tsaka yung chocolate chips na in-order ko guys. Yan o. See?
Oh my God! Wow!
Ito yung guys. So, legit siya guys. Legit si Pepsi Philippines. And guys, meron siyang free na Arla. Arla na ano to guys eh. Parang milk. So, titignan natin guys ah. Chocolate milk pala guys. So, ito guys oh. So, legit si Pepsi Philippines guys. Thank you for watching.